In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in WordPress admin. Whether you're troubleshooting site issues or just trying to ensure that your updates are visible immediately, clearing the cache can be a simple yet effective solution. So, let's dive into it and get started. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens when managing your site. Make sure you are logged in and have admin privileges to proceed with the changes we're about to make. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section. You can find this on the left-hand side of the WordPress admin panel. Plugins are tools that extend the functionality of WordPress, and the first step in clearing the cache is to work with a caching plugin. Next, click on Add New to search for a suitable caching plugin. In the search bar, located at the top right of the page, type in Cache. This will display a variety of caching plugins available for installation. These plugins help in managing your site's cache and can significantly improve your website's performance. Browse through the list and choose a caching plugin that suits your needs. Some popular ones include W3 Total Cache, WP Super Cache, and others. Once you have identified a plugin you'd like to use, click on the Install Now button adjacent to the plugin's title. Installation may take a few moments, so be patient. After the installation completes, the button you just clicked will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Activation is crucial as it allows the plugin to start functioning and managing your website's cache. With the plugin active, return to the Plugins section and find your newly installed caching plugin. Look for the Settings link directly under the name of the plugin. Clicking on Settings will take you to the plugin's configuration page, where you can manage the caching settings. Once you're in the caching plugin settings, you should find an option labeled Delete Cache or something similar. This button is what you're looking for. Clicking on Delete Cache will immediately clear your site's cache, ensuring that any changes you've made to your site are reflected instantly to your visitors. And there you have it. Clearing the cache through your WordPress admin panel is a straightforward process, and by using a plugin, you can manage and even automate cache management, improving site performance over time. Make sure to regularly check the settings of your caching plugin and update it as necessary to keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.